Guten Morgen.
Right. He's packing. We ready. They pack. They ready. But what do you know? The girls are still in their slumber. Hair, makeup. We are going to infiltrate because that was the rule. Housekeeping. Oh my God. You guys aren't fucking ready at all. There's shit all over the place. Oh my God.
We're ready.
Come on. No. This is you. They're not even ready at all. Good things planned for today. We are going over to Nusa Lombongan and Nusa Cenengan. All right, it's about a 30-45 minute drive to the boat dock, then another 30-ish minute boat ride, 40 minutes, something like that. Boat ride over to the new islands. Gonna be a great day. Other than that, we're gonna be going back down to Sanur, home sweet home, or Canggu, back on the main island, home sweet home. Justis is about to do something, so Parker's filming him. Other than that, we are ready to roll. Guys, if you aren't already part of the High on Life family, like, subscribe, comment, hit that little notification button. Other than that, guys, we are having these kinds of adventures every day out here in Bali. We're only here for about 2 more weeks, launching our course, jetsetterboss.com. If you're not a part of that community, get in there right now, guys. Plenty of exciting things going on, but I will leave that up to you to find out. Don't miss out.
If you want to lose your scooter key like me, just before we have to leave,
What's the sitch?
Okay, so we are at the ferry, one of the ports. We're gonna take a boat over to Lombongan and Cenengan.
That sounds like a very seamless plan. Let's do it.
Okay, we got 7 people, we have 4 bikes, that's the best we could do. Realistically, I think we can pull it off. Here's what we've got for this situation. He already looks ridiculous, but let me explain. Justis is rocking a backpack on the front because he's got a drone at his feet, and he's left a little bit of room for Parker, also wearing a backpack on the back. This is going to be a tough ride. We're gonna give it a whirl.
Hey, Pupper! He looks like an Ewok. Or like the little gremlin. Guys, breaking it down. Oh, error. Say welcome to Lombongan.
Welcome to Lombongan!
Now say follow High on Life.
Follow High on Life!
Yeah!
are you looking forward to the next leg of the journey?
Absolutely not. From here, we have to get on our bikes, double. We gotta put drones between legs. We gotta hug each other to stay alive on a 2-wheeled vehicle, motorized powers, dangerous, in roads that we don't know, terrains that we're getting quite comfortable with, to be honest. Next, we're going to that spot. Maybe Blue Lagoon? Oh yes, Blue Lagoon coming up, coming right at you. Zoom out, you slimes.
Yeah, that was great.
cold, you jump directly into the wave. Safe to do jump?
Yeah.
Deep enough? Deep?
Deep.
Deep? I trust them.
Deep enough?
It's alright, I'll pay for it.
All right, we just got to Mahana Point. This is a nice little cafe, restaurant, bar right on the coast, Nusa Cenengan, and happens to have a platform for cliff jumping right behind you. So, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Jump off the platform.
Nice, you got this, boy. Ready?
Yeah, ready. Unlike most cliff jumps that you're gonna find in this area or these areas, traveling around the world, Southeast Asia, whatever, is that they have a perfectly built wooden platform to jump off of with a long runway, so you've got as much room to run and sprint as you want. Takeoff is perfect, easy free fall. It is probably, what, 6 meters, maybe 7? Nothing I haven't done before. I also love saltwater, the ocean's great. And then when you swim around, you kind of ride with the waves. And then when I got around the corner, I didn't see this coming, but I hear this poof. I was like, what the hell is that? I look over, there's an inner tube floating beside me with a rope on it. I was like, no way. I grab it, buddy starts pulling me in, and I'm just kind of like coasting, like flipping my feet or whatever to help out. And by the ladder, it's like jaggedy rocks. So I'm like sliding forward, being like, oh my God, because like would have shredded my stomach right open. And then I, survived, grabbed the ladder, climbed up, and we're good.
You survived?
Yeah, you survived. Do you want to stop?
Where's the next spot on Rachel Sodden's epic Bali tour?
Okay, we are gonna go to Yellow Bridge and get some awesome drone footage of us driving over the bridge. We can also stop for coffee.
I support both those decisions.
Okay, we're here at the Devil's Tier, and it looks like we are one of a billion people. Everyone is dissuaded from hanging around, and we all want to leave now, but I think we'll give it a chance. Nope. Rachel says over yonder, maybe not so bad. We'll give it a chance.
At this point in our journey, we did not realize just how powerful the wind was and how badly it would ruin our microphone sounds. So we've brought myself, as David Attenborough, to come in and fill in the blanks. If you like what you saw here, please subscribe, share, comment, all of that jazz. But even more, I have a question for you. This vlog had a little bit less talking and explaining, and a little bit more time spent on cinematography and beautiful shots. Is this something that you would prefer to see in the future? Or would you like us to go back to more chit-chat, banter, and getting to know the behind the scenes? Please comment below with what you think, so we may make the appropriate changes for future videos. Thank you for joining in our adventures with High on Life, and we will see you yet again. Now, everybody, say goodbye to our friends Danielle, Rachel, Roberto, and Rachel. 1, 2, 3, hip hip hooray.
Bitch.